Okay, welcome to this training session. Today I want to show us how to bleach palm oil without fire. I know I've done a video before. I'm just doing this for those who that might miss that other video. So we'll be bleaching this palm oil. I want to use it for soap making. Some have asked me if I want to use palm oil for soap making, what do I do? Do I use it this way? No, you have to bleach it. So you bleach it either using fire or you bleach it with chemical. And bleaching with chemical is more cost effective because you will not be spending any money on buying kerosene or gas or electric or whatever. So I'll just be teaching us how we can do this, and we'll do that using just two chemicals. We'll be using sulfonic acid. Remember, I did not say sulfuric acid. I said sulfonic acid. This is sulfonic acid. It's a black substance. Sulfuric is another acid that is liquid, is a clear liquid in color, and it's very, very corrosive. Please don't mix both of them. Sulfuric is very, very corrosive. This one is sulfonic, N-I-C, not R-I-C. So I'll be using sulfonic acid, and I'll be using hydrogen peroxide. I bought this one from the chemical shops. You can either buy it from them or you can also buy it from the pharmacy. Whichever one you use is okay. So to bleach your palm oil, you should use 1% each of sulfonic acid and hydrogen peroxide to bleach. That is 1% of your oil size. 1% of your total oil size. So here I have 6 liters of oil. So I'll be using 1% of 6 liters. You know, 6 liters is 6,000 ml. 1,000 ml make 1 liter. So 6,000 ml is 6 liters. So I'll be using 1% of 6,000 ml, which is 60 ml. 60 ml is 1% of 6,000 ml. So I have 60 ml of sulfonic acid here. I have 60 ml of sulfonic acid here, and I'll also be using 60 ml of my hydrogen peroxide. So how do we do it? Okay, so this is what I'm going to do before I start. I'm going to take the oil, the color of the oil, just for us to compare when it is fully bleached. This is it. So I'll keep it somewhere. So when it is fully bleached, I'm also going to do this test again so that we'll see how the color had changed. So I'll just keep it somewhere here, and then I'll just get my sulfonic acid. I'll pour. So this one is fast and it is more convenient. Once you pour it in and give it some time, it will just bleach the palm oil. It will remove the redness. So when you work with the oil, it won't get to stain your clothes. So I'm done with this. So I'm going to add my hydrogen peroxide. I'm going to be using 60 ml also. Remember, I used 1% of my oil batch size. 1% of my oil size. I've used 60 ml of sulfonic acid. I'll be using 60 ml of my hydrogen peroxide. Then I'll stir very, very well. So this is my hydrogen peroxide. I'm going to add. Do you know that you can also add hydrogen peroxide to your bleach when you're making your bleach? It's a bleaching agent. So when you add hydrogen peroxide to your bleach, it gives it more power. It makes it. Are you seeing what is happening? You see that it's already bleaching our oil for us, even instantly. Are you seeing it? Do you see? This is our oil has been bleached immediately with immediate effect. Do you see that it has completely removed the redness of our oil? So with this, you can't see. Do you see the instant miracle that happened now? See the instant miracle. I'm even still going to leave it, and when we come back, you see that it will be fully bleached. Do you see? So with this, you can make your soap, and you'll not be afraid that the redness in the oil will stain your clothes or stain whatever thing you've done. So I'm still going to leave it. I'll come back much later to show us, but already it is bleached. I can use this. I can use it this way. I can use it to produce my soap this way. Do you see? Do you see the difference? Can you see? This is instantly. I've not left. I'm still doing this, and look at the difference already. But I'm still going to leave it. I'll come back much more later when it is very properly bleached, and I'll let us see what it is like. I'll see you after some time. Thank you. Okay, so this is like after 5 minutes. You can see what we did previously. You can. So I am back. This is after 5 minutes. This is what we did previously. Let me show you what this one is like now. Did you see? See how fully bleached it is after 5 minutes. So I've just shown in this video how to bleach your palm oil without using fire. You save the cost of kerosene, electricity, and gas. It is easy and fast. In 5 minutes, I've done this. In 5 minutes, I've done this. Did you also notice the charcoal? The charcoal in there. If you have your palm kernel oil or your palm oil or tallow or whatever oil you think has a pungent smell that you don't like, you can actually drop 1 or 2 pieces of charcoal in there. It will help you extract the smell and make it better. That's why I've dropped my charcoal in there. Just drop your charcoal there and just leave it open. The smell will be extracted out. I hope you find this video valuable. If this is your first time on my channel, please do well to subscribe, please. And please hit that like button so that YouTube shows it to more persons that need to see it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.